Oops, yeah, this thing a disco. Yeah, pretty tight spot on gold. Maybe if we start getting a break above 1785 to continue up. And GJ is holding that support at 153, 200. Like, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, I had to go get coffee. I wasn't able to function right now. Alright, so 6:52 a.m. Eastern Time, 6/22nd of 2021. Um, Gold. I definitely want to see a break above here and a close above 1785 for price to continue up. Definitely want to get away from all this 4-hour mess here. Guess the structure didn't hold. This price didn't break below 1764. Ranger danger, yeah, Ranger danger. And for GJ, yeah, might look for an impulse entry here if we hold support for buys. I think it's like this has moved since 1777 quite a bit, 83 pips. There's gotta be some sort of exhaustion now, so I'm gonna wait it out a little longer. Might have some resistance formed and some retest to the downside, creating more support, and then a continuation up. And on GJ, this is a pretty decent size range, so might be looking for impulse buys also. Like that, I'm gonna do a little cleanup here in the meantime. Summer cleanup. Yeah, good summer cleanup. Sales at the break of 153 200. And yeah, this is the daily high, so currently at a 4-hour resistance in here. $17.85. So definitely write this range, go over this small, pretty small resistance up here, continue to tap on 17.95. So yeah, let's wait a little longer here. It's already 7 a.m. I don't want to set this as a no trade zone because it's just pretty big, 70 pips. Support down here, current resistance up here. What the? Max devices. Trading be tripping sometimes. Yeah, very delicate spot here on gold for this 4 hour to it definitely needs to break above here, 1785. this move buys at the bounce of 1776 would have been better, but that was way too early. Let's see how London opened. 3 a.m. Not much going on. Trash, shitty London session. And GJ was pretty good yesterday. Did give us a lot of pips when it broke low. Buys were like at 150 to 900, yeah, something like that. Yeah, right here. See something. For that 4-hour range. Yeah, pretty difficult spot too on GJ. Maybe if we get a break below here to continue down, create the next lower low. As we're rejecting this 153,800 level. Yeah, no chill music today. People complain about the music. There's no way to make everyone happy here. My thought process behind taking a buy right now on gold is that we have 1, 2, well, 3, 4, 30-minute candles that they all printed bullish, right? Since London, well, little past London open. I'm definitely expecting some exhaustion, or even though we're on a 4-hour range, definitely want to see a break above here for price to continue up, definitely. If not, then resistance being formed, and then we're gonna have to uh, write it down, basically sell it. And when you're selling this, then you have to deal with all of this range here, which is annoying. Yeah, price action is not the prettiest right now on both GJ and gold. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait. See what we can do. Something always comes up, so don't want to take a blind buy right now and then start rejecting out of here. But it looks like it's definitely moving. If we're if we're holding this support. 708. This can be a good trade idea if price continues up. You have a stop at maybe 20 something pips right here, and you expect price to continue up here to 1784 and so on between 7 a.m. and 8. Not my best, not my favorite setup, so I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, if you definitely wait for that 15 or 5 minute close above here, 1785, I think will be clutch for the price to continue up. Just don't like that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of 30-minute candles just printing bullish, and there is no no rejection, no resistance. It is what it is. 16 pips on gold and counting good. Awesome. Yeah, you guys got balls. Because I will definitely wait for at least a 5 minute break and close. Right? This 5 minute here closing. But, here you have your 5 minute break, a retest, and then a continuation up. It's just a matter of securing as much as possible here. Yeah, back testing pays off.
What's going on, Mack?
Hey, good morning, Jay. Oh, oops, sorry. Good morning.
What you looking at for GJ? It's
Man,
kind of in a strange area.
GJ is on a very tough area right now. This is a pretty decent size range, right?
Gotcha.
I am waiting for support to hold basically at 152, 153, 200, being a quarter point or whatever. And if it holds, then I'm gonna be looking at possible impulse entries on the next maybe 30-minute candle. It's a little risky taking an entry here in this range. Better safer buys will be at the break of 153,800.
Yeah.
And then you have, let's see here, you have this whole area here, so up to 154,700 basically to fill. That's
And at
one.
least the 4 hour wick fill to the left.
What's that?
I said, and at least the 4 hour wick fill on that candle to one down.
Here?
No. Let's see. Go to the left a little bit. Right there. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this
That
one?
4 hour wick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just basically counting this as one whole candle.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's will definitely play out for buys. Um, Yesterday I was talking how we hit that demand zone down here, and price rejected out of 150, 500. Still on a pretty tough spot, but as we keep making higher highs and higher lows, definitely better break and continuation up. Uh, to get out of this range, you definitely need a close above 156. What the fuck is going on? Sorry. Yeah, 156, which is right here. Still a little. Yeah, still got a little trip up there. Yeah, so I think today I'm definitely gonna play it a lot safer. I'm gonna wait for buys at the break of 153, 800. I don't want to take an impulse entry here in this range. It's too much um, traffic, consolidation, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, there's a lot of wicks on that 30 minute for sure.
Hmm. Yeah, a lot of rejection. And gold, well, retested that 1785 again. Yeah, yeah, it looks messy, very messy. So when things get messy, you look onto the 5 minute, so you could get a clearer um, structure. So now you have your resistance down here, support down here, and wait just a little longer. Yeah, GJ, if you caught those buys, good, risky, but
Just
5 minute structure was there. Sander said it. It's just that not for me. I don't like taking trades in a very congested area. This 15-minute closed, barely any wick to the upside. Yeah, and also messing around here. No wick, no trade. Yeah, for me, no wick, no trade. That's my rule of thumb. DJ has been taking my profits slowly this month. Yeah, man, GJ, I got slapped yesterday twice, and then
Bro,
finally,
for real. It's
yeah,
been difficult.
yeah, and then yesterday I had the alert set up at 152 900. I talked about it here, and then that's when it took off. So I closed like 15 pips. I'm like, I'm not even gonna stay here. Yeah, and I moved like another 40 pips. But yeah, that was the move. Right here. Then boom, hit that zone, and that's it. That was it. see, is any news down here? No, no news. Yeah, pretty boring. No copyright music because people are saying it's too loud. Some people are saying it's too low. Then some people say that they can hear my voice. Yeah, gold is ranging. It's impossible to make everyone happy. So no music. See, if I play the music, it's like then you say you can't hear me. So I don't know. You want music or you want to hear me? 'Wow, and the Dow did move a lot yesterday. Um, this break here. This is the NYC candle. When you wanna hear me cough. This is the NYC candle pull back, and then buys were above 33 450 500. $0.57. Wow. Out of all the coins, I mean, the crypto, the only coin that's actually been moving a little better, it's the shittiest coin, the duck coin, the Doge coin. But yeah, all crypto markets are shit right now. Poop. The chill music, you like that channel? Yeah, man, it's pretty decent. I like it. You know, it helps with the eerie silence. Silence. China's crackdown. Oh man, so like a bunch of mining places they got cracked. This time, China's iron ban on crypto seems more serious than back in 2018. Blah 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 blah. Oh, that's bad. Bitcoin trading and mining. Hey, you can't be mining in here no more. Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever seen like those mining places in China? Like some of them are even powered by like hydroponic or hydroelectric electric systems. Well, it's like a well, water coming through, and that's how they get electricity. It's like a whole warehouse full of GPUs and CPUs, and they mine like hundreds of Bitcoin a day. But yeah, nowadays it's a lot harder to mine. But anyway, let's go back to the real market. Home sales at 10 a.m. I don't think that's gonna be. It's gonna be too much. Yeah, now we're coming back down here. Probably getting a close below this range. Taking in consideration that this is a major rejection and we're gonna continue down, but still, we're stuck in that 4-hour range. It's the only bad thing. $7.28. Yeah, no, I'm not doing any push-ups this time. It's too early for that. Now, people had 10K setups to mine Bitcoin, and it may take months to get 1 Bitcoin. Yeah. Think about when you mine Bitcoins or any crypto, it's based on algorithms. So, the more difficult the algorithms get, the more difficult um, the mining is. So it doesn't matter if you have a good rig. Jesus, now is my mic better now, bro? Better? Yeah, and there's a lot of people that buy systems like they're already pre-made for mining, basically just mining. Um, I don't think they're pretty much reliable. I don't think they're good. Yeah, man, you guys are gonna drive me crazy here. Fixing my mic, fixing the music. I'm not a DJ, bro. I'm not a DJ. I'm here streaming two pairs. You know, if we see a buy, we take the buy. If we see a sell, we take the sell. We're not here to listen to music or listen to me. GPU. I'm waiting for support to hold down here because we might have another retest, something like this, and then price continuing up. If we hold that support, then I'll be taking a buy, you know. If we don't hold the support, then I'll definitely look for a sell, for a long short-term sell. I still think we should be taking off on GJ for price to continue up. Yeah, these comments kill me. What's an impulse entry? An impulse entry is basically that you are not waiting for whatever time frame you trade on. Let's say you go on the 15 or the 30 and you don't wait for that candle to close. You take an entry based on the momentum, meaning how the candle is moving. Say you're looking into the 30-minute and then GJ is moving, or gold is moving up here. We're breaking the high of the previous candle. The candle has still not closed, you know, still what, like 2 minutes into the candle, and you take an entry, right? That's considered an impulse entry. It's just impulsive. Impulse, because it's impulsive. Yeah, remember the session openings. Probably uh, probably the end of this week, Magic Keys will be shipping out. I got like a fish eye. Choo. Yeah, not growing a full beard. Pretty boring day here.
the market is not doing anything and you are using your dealer.
No, it's not doing anything. It's not doing caca. Alright, so the idea here is that if we start breaking above the 4-hour high at 153,600, looking for buys for a continuation up. So I got 10 minutes to end my open. Yeah, it's a lot safer above 1800, 0.800. Yeah, it's a good day if you didn't lose any money. Oh wow, look at EJ. This nasty liquidity grab. If we start, closing above here, you can definitely look for buys. Yeah, just like back then when I used to trade EJ. So yeah, you definitely need a break above here. A little breakdown here on EJ, and you have your previous support down here. So you want to close above 131,500. You have this nice range up here. No trades taken today yet. No trades taken today yet. Yeah, the ranges are super small, EJ. Super small. Oh, nice. Yeah, today seems like, if you get 10 pips, 11 pips, call it a day. Enjoy the rest of the day. Look at this rejection now. Minutes till NY open. Yeah. Think the mic changes. I think it sounds better now. Probably because it changes from the webcam to this. I mean, from the mic to the webcam. This the Streamlabs OBS. It's the worst streaming app ever. I was thinking of taking a sell down from up here, but just based on the 30-minute at the break of this low. It's just that I didn't like all this range to the left, especially here. But now that we're below that zone, I look for a retest and a continuation down. If we keep rejecting 1785. Oh man, I'm gonna take a quick look here at the drawings for the day. Seen this one here. And oh, let me zoom in a little. Oh man. Yo, this guy cracks me up. I'm probably gonna have him on Friday, so just to bring him as a guest, so he could do some drawings on Zoom. Oh, fuck. They got the water bottle. Ah. He got the money sign here. He's actually zoomed in and and wrote whatever's on the shirt. No, what's funny is the way he does the teeth. If you have bad teeth, you're fucked. Look at this guy, Armando. Kevin. I sent him that picture. He said to put gold in the license plate. And named it Kevin. You got Kevin, you got Rojo Banks, Rojo Banks, and you got Mark. Look at the forearm. Oh man, I'm dying. So I talked to this guy yesterday, and I asked him, like how did you come up with that? It's like, I don't know. It's just I started drawing, and sometimes the drawings will come out good, so I had to make them bad. And then people started liking them. So I guess he found his niche. If you wanna get ranked on, you just get a drawing of someone and get this guy. Oh man. Let me control myself. Yeah, the gold plate. The gold plate. So yeah, that's gonna be the every morning routine. He needs to do 10. And Ted will probably get mad. If I find a picture of him, I'll do. Yeah, he's like, let the fun begin. He's even got a Discord. This guy made a whole business out of that. That's crazy. That's the hustle right there. Yeah. A whole business. Yep. Yeah, I thought it was a kid that drew it first. No, this guy's like 19, 20. I think he's from India. Man, he's funny. You gotta be a little creative for that. It's like some people didn't like the drawings, they dropped the dislike. Oh, come on, man, have some sense of humor. Oh. I'm gonna get a picture of Sean. Oh man, that would be bands. No, I have allergies. I'm stuffed. So it's hard for me to breathe. Yeah, I might get one of Burner next. Matter of fact, give me 1 second. Let's make this happen. Can I look at GU? Yeah, sure. GU is on the same thing as GJ. I think, it's a little late. Buys would have been here at the break of this high. Right at 6:30 on the dot. But you still had to go through all this trouble here. Take a glass of water. Now I'm drinking coffee. Give me 1 second. My inhaler stop working or butyrol. Zero pumps. But yeah, man, I mean, people left this like, you just gotta have like an open sense of humor, you know. Don't take things too serious. If you can find a trade right off the bat, you know, it's only NY Open, 8 a.m. I'm definitely gonna leave something in here for NYC. You know, in case the stream is over and then you don't have any trades, just don't. You don't have to leave a dislike because I'm having some fun. Burner. I'm trying to find some pics. Oh, what a deep retest on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna do Monty. I already got Monty's picture. Monty's gonna be easy. It's not that much hair. It's gotta work with. No, man, I'm not gonna die. my immune system is probably scared. Probably scares Corona away. Lemon and honey. I'm not sick, man. It's allergies. It's allergies.
Whatever, Mac.
Huh?
You know, COVID, bro.
Nah, man. We're already past that already.
Yeah.
This is that's old news. That's 2020.
I get seasonal allergies too, man. Just, you know.
The pollen count in New York before we step outside. As global warming increases, it's actually making the seasons longer. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Making the pollen count much higher. Oh, I guess so. So pollination takes longer. Okay, 622. Wow, high. Moderate. Oh wow, new study said oh. Man, I'm not sick, bro. I don't need no lemon and ginger and honey and lemon. Yeah, take Claritin. Claritin works. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, I survived a pandemic to get obliterated by pollen. No, he hasn't. Nah, he hasn't drawn King Sean Lee. This guy has been through so many memes. he won't even notice this one. trying to find a pic Monty. Yeah, like the movie Legends. There's not enough pictures of him just playing golf. Oh man, it's always playing golf. Golf, golf, golf. Yeah, I can't do no shenanigans for today. I'm gonna do a picture of Steven, but he'll get so mad. Yo, he'll get so mad. Yeah, 100 likes for the coffee lounge. Yeah, I'm not even gonna do one of Steven. He'll get mad. See who else? Oh, Josh. Do the whole squad. But damn, this guy raised his rates. It was like a 10 cents per sketch. Now it's like at $5. Inflation hit him. Yeah, coming up to resistance, see what it does. It's been moving, just a little slow. This is looking pretty good. So we broke the low here. The price to continue down. Stops be something like this, right above this previous wick here. I just don't like it. Not my thing. Yeah, getting stuck in these ranges sucks big time. No man, I'm not crying. My eyes are watery. Fucking allergies. Yeah, GTA is the 4 hours about to close, so I remember that. But I like how this right here between the 1 a.m. candle and the 5 reversed, broke the high of the previous 4 hour candle. So maybe on the retracement, we could look for better buys as we retested that resistance, hold support down here, maybe a little higher, and then continuing up. That's the idea. Something like this, right? Hold support somewhere around here. Oh, it looks like a liquidity grab on the 4 hour to go higher. Or you mean lower? Yeah, sales below here. It will, if you're still holding good, you just gotta be mindful that as it's getting close to the 8:30 close, might have a small pullback. But if we break below this area, can definitely get a better continuation. You have this. I think it should continue down. Yeah, it doesn't look clean, but as we break below here, then yeah. we already did. We already did the drawing thing. retest.
Yo, Matt, can you help me out with something?
Yeah, what's up, Trey?
All right, so my usual money setup is when I say a 30-minute or hour candle breaks outside of a consolidation zone,
Like here?
but when it rejects, it kind of throws me off sometimes as finding an entry. So like here, or like on gold, when it rejected on the say the 30-minute and the 15-minute from that 4 hour support, I was hesitant to get in that sell, and I was wondering like how can you? So it's all the way at the top on the say the 15-minute.
15.
So we marked up the 4 hour resistance and support, and then at the break of the low, I was like, I don't know, not that one more up, right there. How do you know when it's a good time to get in versus when it can just be I don't know, just resistance and continue up?
Um, well, I look at the size of the rejection. On the 30 minutes, this is a pretty decent sized rejection, right?
Mm-hmm.
30 minute. Now, I also look at the time. What's the time in here? It's probably like 7:15. So between 7 to 8, you're gonna see, volatility. You're gonna see volume coming in. Um, that's another confluence that I'm looking at.
Gotcha.
Of course, you're gonna have the chance you're gonna take is that you're gonna have a sell right at the break of the low, and you're not gonna have a stop, which is not gonna be as big because you're not gonna want this to go higher. The next candle to retest or go higher than the previous bearish candle or even the bullish candle here. So you have a 35 pip stop, then you modify your lot size, and based on that you're gonna have the probability that price is gonna continue down based on the timing, 7 a.m. to 8, or also from 7 a.m. to 9 sometimes. Because at wide open you might have a continuation and you wouldn't even have a pullback.
Right. So like say on GJ just now, how it closed at resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Would a good idea be taking a sell under that area, or how does that?
Yeah, I was thinking about selling here, but I explained what I'm looking at. What I'm expecting is basically as we're getting close to 9 a.m., we're gonna have a pullback, for the 4-hour wick to form for the next 4 hour. So something like this, a retest down here, create a new support. So if we keep rejecting here, continuing down, create new support, and then going up. So, or price might just consolidate around here and then take off, right?
Right.
So you're playing with those two chances. So here, definitely you want to see a break below here on the 15 or the 30, and maybe you go into the smaller time frames and you see a 5-minute closing underneath here for a better confirmations. But yeah, good confirmation would be a sell at the break and close of the previous low here.
Okay.
But you're not gonna expect a huge move down since we're still on a bullish trend, based on the 4-hour, right? We rejected here, this reversed. Usually when you see that reversal between the London Open, 1 a.m., 5 a.m., usually the next 4-hour candle will continue up. If, you have the 1 a.m. candle closing bearish and then the 5 a.m. candle closing bullish, the 9 a.m. candle will probably continue up, right? That continuation throughout New York, it's what you are expecting. Basically, your trade is going to be that retracement back down. So this is not really a big, a trade that's worth taking per se,
Right.
because you're not going to have that much retracement down here. and support holds, let's say like at 10 pips. It's really a really tight range, so at least for me it's not worth taking it, getting stressed over it,
Mm-hmm.
because you're not gonna get that much of a retracement here. So next 4-hour candle is at 9, so we got 26 minutes left. During those 26 minutes, highly doubt that TJ is gonna move more than 10 pips.
Right. It's just not worth it.
Not worth it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna wait until 9, see how the 9 a.m. candle opens, and then based on that, I can do a guesstimate if we're gonna have a new support down here, somewhere around here maybe, and then if we reject that support, to continue up. But yeah, I've seen this many times. Price rejects here, like how it's doing, tends to head down. Then during London we have the reversal, which is here. Zoom in. And throughout the New York session you have a continuation of what this candle from 5 a.m. it's closing like. If it's closing like a bullish candle, then most likely throughout the New York session you're gonna have a continuation up. If it's closing bearish, then most likely during the New York session it's gonna continue down. Tomorrow we'll have better setups. Yeah, I hope so.
Appreciate it. I guess it would just mean it's kind of wait for your setup as opposed to trying to chase a setup,
Right. Exactly. Yeah, just wait for the setup rather than chase the setup. Somebody, oh yeah, you took a gold sell down there, Shane. Good. So yeah, sales down here will definitely play out. $17.74. Yeah, you have this area here. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. We tested that resistance at 153,800. Probably continue down, create new support, and then head up. But wow, look at gold. So sales down from here would have been a lot better. 73 pips, 74. I missed it, but whoever caught it, good. You guys hear me better now on YouTube? Man, it's always a mission in here. Yeah, so wow, look at that rejection. This is like catching a free falling knife right now. Nice. And you guys are way more awake than I am right now. Can barely hear me. Nice. Yeah, gold sales below that 50-minute low here would have been nice, really nice, because you had that retest up here and break below here. Even even if you look into the 5 minute, I was dropping. If you would have waited for that 5 minute close, still would have been a decent trade right here, like this. Yeah, but that wasn't really my setup. My mic switched to the camera. No. Better? Jeez! But yeah, Trey, what I was saying here on, and if you want to take the sell, even though we got 20 minutes left, you're kind of risking here not getting 10 pips or 5 pips, whatever you're looking for. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. Just price to reject here, continue down here, create new support, and continue up. Yeah, gold sale was a money setup. Not my setup, but it looks like it did look like a money setup. Right here at the break of that 50-minute low. And also trade, you see how we're getting close to that 0.500 quarter point psychological level, whatever you want to call it. That's where you want to see some sort of reaction around here. So say from here, the break of that 50-minute low down to 0.500, it's about 9-10 pips. Really not worth it. As for GJ, I still have my alerts set up here. 150, 3700, and gold really didn't like any of the setups. I just kind of like do a showdown here. What's going on? You have a low down here. Change this. So yeah, around 1762. I think we talked about it yesterday. If we get a retest down here, then you want to see reaction around that area for price to continue down. Still got another 4 days left for the week to be over. Yeah, lower lows and lower highs on the 4 hour, and that's pretty good. Pretty good confirmation. So now it's up to gold to close below here, 1774. So yeah, down here, that's where we're rejecting. So what I'm gonna do, because I'll be looking for sales during NYSE, is that I'm gonna set up an alert down here, boom, right at the break of that wick. So just to play it safe, right here, bang bang. So yeah, sales. I can bring up this scope. Yeah, for GJ sales, you just gotta be careful here as we're getting close to 9 a.m. for the new 4 hour to pull back. Can definitely play out for the new support to form as we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, 10 pips should definitely play out. Be good. Ooh-yo. Wow, look at this thing. Jesus Christ. And the shitcoin still holding. You know what that means, right? When we're I'm just reading the chat. When we're ranging for so long, 2.5 hours ranging, definitely, as soon as 9 a.m. hits, take that break and wait until 9:30 for the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, open. And then definitely find the setup. Usually for gold, you're gonna have a pullback, some sort of retracement, a liquidity grab, whatever you want to call it. Just be aware of that. Same thing with indices, right? On US 30, Nasdaq, you get a pullback and then price launches off. So yeah, probably here, what I'm expecting is price to hold as soon as 9:30 hits. Gonna have some retracement up for liquidity and then price continuing down. So yeah, kind of like something like this if we look into the 1 hour. not even. It could be a bearish candle. So candle like that, some nice wick to the downside, and then you have a continuation. Bing. Hopefully you get that wick fill here, and further down to 1762. Yeah, the Sonata, the headlights, they look pretty dope. I was looking at, because she doesn't like red. She's superstitious about that for some reason. So I'm gonna end up probably wrapping the car in gray. See, Audi has a color. It's called the Nardo Gray. It's like this. Some BMWs too, but Audi is the one that it's got it the most. Look like racers, rice cookers. Oh, this is pretty dope. It's like a stormtrooper. Yeah, I like the design. I like especially the headlights and the tail light. It's like a one light, LED light. Merlin on Audi, yeah. No, man, I didn't buy that pullback. I'm not really into that whole 1 minute thing. Hence, it's consolidated right now. But yeah, it's about to hit 9. Yeah, sometimes people's income don't match their car. Yeah, you see that shit a lot in Miami. Well, anywhere in the world, pretty much. But some people really like cars, and yeah, it is what it is. People rather live in a car than live in a house. I had my Audi for 3 years. Before that, I had my BMW, and they all came out to be, somewhat affordable. I also had an Accord. in a Mercedes C 250, and the turbo was lagging. Yeah, I want to see a dip on gold, but I definitely want to see a pullback at NYS8 and a continuation down. Yeah, I mean, cars are affordable if you know how to buy them or how to maintain them. If you buy a CPO car, certified pre-owned, then it shouldn't be much of a hassle. If you have good credit, then you can definitely lease a car. Of course, you know, knowing that you're not gonna go over miles and you're not gonna pay extra. Or you could just pay cash.
What's up, Mac?
Some Nick.
Man, my favorite car I ever had was my Infiniti FX35, man.
FX? FOREX?
Yeah. Yeah, funny, right? Now that you say that. Yeah, but that car drove, like, I remember taking that car to Orlando a few times, and I just loved it, man. Hands down my favorite.
The FX is the best, man. They need to bring it back.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. The FX has speed, man. I owned one.
For real?
Yeah.
I remember seeing this, but it was like a very little car.
That second one, that's the one I had, that purple color with the peanut butter interior. Oh, man, that was the one.
Yeah. I went to the FX to the AMG. But the FX, man, they definitely need to bring it back.
I like Infinities, not gonna lie. I really like Infinities. I like for Japanese cars, Infinities and Infiniti Nissan is the same thing. Lexus, Toyota. Yeah, an Infiniti G35 is just to play it out.
I drive a lot for work now, so I just have a CRV, and I'll be honest, man, I love my Honda CRV. When you fill up $25 a gas tank, trust me, your opinion on cars will change very quick.
I put $20 in the Sonata, and it's 87. It's not even 93 octane. It's 87. It's 87.
What's the?
And I put $20 and the gas tank went like halfway full, bro. Halfway full with $20. I'm like, no way. And my mom doesn't
I think you can
even
get like
drive that
400 with the Sonata. You can get like 400 on a tank easy.
I don't even know. It's 30. I think it was like 32 miles per gallon, something like that. Combined highway and street. And bro, she doesn't even drive that much. So $20 has been lasting since Friday.
Congratulations on that, by the way, man. Big respect.
Yeah, man. Thank you. My mic is good. Wow, what a boring ass day. Except on gold, if you took those sales below that break of that 15 here, good for you. GJ still in here. Now we created that support, minus support down here. So want to see a break above 800, price to continue up. So yeah, that's what I was talking about here. As soon as we broke down here, the range wasn't even that much. Now the new support is at 600, 585. Check EJ. What's going on with EJ? Oh wow, EJ broke. Nice. You know what I like about EJ is that you can look into the 1 hour if you miss the move, and usually 80% of the time you get a break and retest, right? You get a break on the 1 hour, and then the next 1 hour pulls back again to the zone, breakout zone, and then you could re-enter.
Yeah, Mac, exactly what you said. It played out with GJ. Just a little 8-pip sell. Hopefully it continues on up.
Yeah. Bro, I've changed my mic like 100 million times already. People keep saying that is my volume that's bad. Maybe you guys gotta change the volume. Or
Hey Mac, I'm sorry. I was checking over there as well, and it's kinda low on YouTube.
on YouTube is low.
Yeah, yeah. Right here it's pretty good, but I was checking there, it's kinda low.
Maybe you guys need to raise the volume in YouTube. You know, there is a volume thing.
I mean, the music, it was kinda louder than your voice, you know.
It's like 80% of the people are saying there's nothing wrong, and then 20% of the people saying that my mic is not loud enough and they want to hear me. I don't know what to do, man. Then I get dislikes.
Yeah, I don't know. Right here is pretty good.
Okay, so you stay in the Zoom.
Yeah, it's the streaming music. It happens to me sometimes.
Oh yeah. So what do? You like refresh?
Depends what you use for streaming. I use OBS.
I use OBS. OBS is a piece of shit. Sorry for the language, but it is. I mean, I fixed everything. All the controllers. Look at the mic. The mic is like super loud. Blah 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 blah. Look at this. Get into the red zone. So.
Oh no, I don't use Streamlabs. I use the standard OBS, the other one.
Oh, okay.
But you should be able to lower the music coming out of the desktop. You can check on the panel. You see audio output capture, and then you have the mic. Okay, there you go. You see audio, you can just, yeah, exactly. Just lower that one.
Okay. And the voice from the Zoom is still good.
Yeah, because it doesn't matter. Zoom really sucks if you want to share music, because you don't have control. Yeah.
I don't want to share the music in Zoom. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it sucks.
So now that I lowered the music, the output here.
Yeah, let me check on YouTube. Let me see.
Yeah, Mac, it sounds a lot better. I just checked now. It actually sounds a lot better.
Sounds a lot better now?
A lot better.
Cool. So that was it then. Then tomorrow is gonna be another thing.
Yeah, it's pretty good right now.
Okay, so then tomorrow's gonna be another thing. Yeah, on the 5 minute on on gold. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking up. So if you definitely want to catch a that bounce from this area, you have a stop right below this 5 minute low. You know, expecting price to at least hit 10-15 pips, which is reasonable. Other than that, wait until 9:30 and wait for the pullback, right, that I was explaining on the 1 hour, the pullback here, and then price to continue dipping down below here. That's why I have an alert, which I'm actually gonna move it down here, up here. So if we start breaking below here, then it's free free smoke, right? Free range down to this wick right here, 1766. And long term, you have 1762 and down 1750. Yeah, but well, nobody really talks on Zoom much, so unless it's like the end of the day and people want to come out and talk.
Yeah, now it's fixed. Now you should only get the volume a little bit up on your mic.
The mic volume, I think it's all the way up.
And then you should not, and then you should be just, you're just fine. There you go. And the speaker, people, I think the music was the issue.
Yeah, so the audio output capture, which is coming from the YouTube. The output. Wait, this is from. This is what I'm hearing, right? So based on what I'm hearing, is what people hear.
Lower that a little bit, maybe.
Let's lower this a little bit, right?
And maybe now they don't hear all of us so high. Yeah, there you see when I speak, it goes to the almost red zone.
Right. So let's moderate that a little. Go speak.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Did you see how the daily looks on GJ?
See.
A huge week. It's kind of like ready to.
Give me 1 second here. Wait.
Huge rejection. GJ.
Oh, GJ. My bad, Joe. GJ on the daily. Yeah, man, that's what I was saying. Though, on the daily right now, this new 4 hour, if we start breaking above 0.800, that will be a lot safer for buys. We already have the bottom wick created, and now we need just a break above here, which it looks like we're gonna have it. So I have an alert down here, up here. So as soon as we break and close, then I'll look for possible entries. It's still, under the resistance. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in if we break and close. If we don't close, then I'm not gonna get in.
Would you trust the 15-minute Mac, or you think a 30 at least?
I'll be looking at the 15. If we get a nice close on the 15 with this one, then yes. Because NYSE really doesn't affect GJ much, so I'm counting on that for price just to continue going up, as we had that support created here, and now I'm expecting this to pierce through it. It might just consolidate till London close, but that's my bias. Wow, look at gold, beautiful. So yeah, that was the other trade. Bounce here, breaking the high of that previous 5-minute low. You had your stops right at the low of the 5-minute, and 10, 20 pips. Actually, move 40 pips. Yeah, market structure still looks like it's creating lower highs, lower lows. So let's see now. I hit some rejection up here. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna break above on GJ. Oops, sorry about that. So basically, yeah, I'm not taking an impulse entry. I'm gonna wait for this 50-minute to close. If it's too late, it is what it is. But looking at the way it's forming, I think we should continue up. You have a decent sized stop, which could be about 10-15 pips right here at the previous 50-minute low. And your first take profit, looking to the left, should be up here. Let's see how many pips. 27 pips, wow, and so on up to the next major zone at 154. But yeah, I'm gonna head out, guys. Be safe, everyone. Thank you for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Whoa, it's really hot in here.
Thank you, Mac. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Mac.
Bye, 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 bye.
Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Dun, dun, dun.